Dealing with knee pain as a lifter can be a very difficult and downright frustrating issue, as it's one of the most common and limiting injuries that lifters experience. Not only can it prevent you from doing exercises that you enjoy, but it can actually limit your mobility and just flat out hinder your overall progress in the gym. Knee pain can also be a source of frustration and disappointment for many lifters because it can feel like you're not making any progress in the gym because you're either unable to train or very limited in your ability to train the movements that you like to do, such as front squats, back squats, clean, snatches, lunges, and many others. But did you know that certain squat variations can actually help you alleviate your knee pain? In this video, we're going to be discussing 3 of our favorite squat variations to not only help people continue to train while dealing with knee pain, but actually help them solve their knee pain once and for all. The first squat variation that we recommend is box squats. Box squats are a great squat option for people who are dealing with knee pain because you can limit the range of motion, and most lifters will have the most amount of knee pain at the very bottom of the squat. Start with a box height that allows you to squat with minimal to no knee pain and slowly decrease the height over time as your knees are feeling better. The second squat variation is slow tempo squats. These squats use intentionally slow movement during the lowering and or lifting phases of the squat, and therefore require less overall weight to get a really good training effect for your legs. We often have our clients start with a 3-0-3 tempo squat, which means 3 seconds to get to the bottom and 3 seconds to stand back up. Once your knee pain is starting to subside, you can slowly speed up the tempo until you're squatting with a regular tempo again. The third variation is the Spanish squat. This variation uses a thick band or strap wrapped around something that won't move and is placed around the legs at the top of the calves for an anchor point. From here, step back so that there is adequate tension on the band or strap to support your body weight, and perform a squat in which you sit your butt back and down in an arcing motion. You can further modify the squat variation by using slower tempos or shorter ranges of motion, depending upon how your knee pain is during the movement. The 2 main goals of using these squat variations while dealing with knee pain is to continue to train your legs in the squatting pattern while dealing with this type of injury, as well as to use them to progress back towards your regular squatting. So if you're dealing with knee pain, please don't be discouraged from doing squats. By incorporating one or more of these squat variations into your training, you can effectively train around your knee pain and also help your knees to feel better at the same time. If you found this to be helpful, please hit that like button, leave any questions that you might have in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more injury and training help.